Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This video today is a brand new tutorial showing you how to get mods in Animal Company. You can get access to a secret mod menu in Animal Company using a working promo code. So this is a code that you can redeem in game, and it's going to unlock mods, and this is going to give you tons of features, guys. So before I show you how to get mods in Animal Company, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always searching for updated methods. And yeah, this is currently the best working method in 2026, and this requires no PC and no Discord. So let's get into the video. What you're going to want to do to get your Animal Company mod menu promo code is use your mobile phone internet browser, and you need to head on over to this website, www.crashcoupons.com. So the reason I call this a no PC method is because you can literally do this on your mobile phone to get your promo code, and then you can redeem it in game. So you've got to go to Crash Coupons, and when you reach this page, there is a search bar at the top of the page there next to the Crash Coupons logo, and in there just type in Animal Company, and it's going to navigate you to this Animal Company promo codes page once you tap on it. And on this page, guys, they have a few different promo codes, so you need to navigate your way down the page to the mod menu code. This is going to get mods in Animal Company for completely free, and this is a already built-in secret mod menu, guys, and to access it you need to use this promo code. So you enter it in the computer in game, and it is going to unlock mods. So as you can see, you need to unlock your Animal Company promo code. This basically prevents people from taking all of the codes. It does only take about 5 minutes, but yeah, to get your code, click on this button, and you've got to follow the instructions on this code unlocker. So this basically protects the code. So you need to complete 2 of the free app or survey offers below to unlock your code from Crash Coupons, and make sure you follow the instructions below each app, and this will verify you as a real person and not a robot. So basically, guys, what you're going to want to do is complete 2 of the tasks on this page. There is a list here. They're all completely free, and they're really easy things like installing and opening mobile applications. You can even do like free surveys where you just answer some questions. So as an example, I'll tap on this one. This is a free survey where you answer a question, then enter some information. It is completely free, and just follow through the steps on that one, and that one will be complete. So yeah, just complete 2 tasks. They're really easy, takes about 5 minutes, and once you do that, it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Animal Company promo code will be shown in this box. You redeem it in the PC in game, so in the redeem codes part of the computer, and yeah, that is how to get mods in Animal Company. So it's going to unlock the mod menu. So that is it, guys. This is working right now in 2026. Super simple method. Go to Crash Coupons, find the Animal Company promo codes page, and just make sure you do select the mod menu and unlock your promo code by following through the instructions. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.